you're experiencing FPS drops on your PlayStation 5, there are several steps you can take to enhance performance. Follow this easy guide to improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Check for system updates. Ensure your PS5 is running the latest system software. Go to Settings, then System Software, and select System Software Update and Settings. Download and install any available updates. Step 2. Optimize game settings. Adjust the in-game settings for better performance. Lower graphic settings such as resolution or texture quality if the game allows it. This can help stabilize the frame rate during gameplay. Step 3. Clear cache. Clearing the cache can help improve performance. Turn off your PS5, then hold the power button until you hear a second beep. Enter safe mode and select the option to clear the cache and rebuild the database. Step 4. Manage storage. Free up space on your console by deleting unused games or applications. Go to Settings, then Storage, and review what can be removed. A well-managed storage can lead to better performance. Step 5. Use a cooling stand. Overheating can cause performance issues. Consider using a cooling stand to help keep your PS5 at optimal temperatures during long gaming sessions. This can prevent thermal throttling and maintain stable FPS. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your PlayStation 5's performance and a reduction in FPS drops. Enjoy your gaming!